So this is like, my life is like a hobby. Yeah, let me show them. Check out the fit. Raggedy, cute little shirt. I don't know why I say raggedy. It's only because I got like a little pie that Mark is standing. Say hi, everyone. Chocolate pie. Little chocolate pies. He's gonna say hi to okay, so we're just gonna go back to basic video just to like reserve the battery of my phone. So I'm gonna leave a little honey baby. But Zamia is like a Beyonce. I was trying to say, please don't run me down with today other than oh, those two are never really. They just lay down side by side. That'd be the perfect speed bump right there, right, ladies. Everybody. Oh, let me show you like this nice little honey. Speaking of honey, I'm gonna show you this dope artwork. Cause hashtag why not? Can you see it? Okay, good. Alright, so now that we made it around the corner, so we come around the corner when she comes, yeah. So that I got Barbie on my shirt. And then chocolate pie. And just a slight hint of aqua sauce dripping because I'm out here in public. So today's been a pretty decent day. Today is Wednesday. Actually, no, slap me in the knuckle. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, June the 25th. Today is Thursday, June the 25th, 2026. We are currently walking outside. So let me tell you all the story. Once upon a time, I had a used 2004 Toyota Camry. It was all black. I was staying with this elderly, melanated man, and he was a bit toxic. In my opinion, he was a narcissist / demon, excuse me. And so it's pretty bright and sunny. That's maybe why my nose is running. And well, it's funny. So anywho, so I feel as though by me getting involved with him, on top of like potentially having issues over him, just making this, you know, I realized that probably was a main cause of why things went the way that they did, you know. Long story short, guess what happened? I crashed the car. So I was in Raleigh. I'm gonna be honest, if you know where that is. Should have told you that, so let's pretend I didn't. Okay, so look. The point is, I was in the city, and I had just left the mall. I just felt this energy all day, like something bad might happen. Like a premonition. I didn't know exactly what could or would happen. Okay, so my thing is, I had already like left the car. I had already like lost the car, and I was like looking for it in the parking garage after I had left the mall. So the fact that I was looking for the car, I felt a little agitated about it. I was complaining about it. Maybe that was like giving a signal to the universe, you know, like, hey, she probably really doesn't even appreciate this car. So then what happened next was I was going straight, right? And like a big old fat heavy freaking pickup truck sent into that one right over there like that. I don't know if you all saw that, but yeah, a big, like a Ford pickup truck. It was all white. It literally was like, just imagine I'm going straight. Like I'm going straight across, like going straight this way, and then that car is turning to go that way. You know, so as the car is turning to go straight, I'm going straight. It ended up hitting me on the side, so it hit the driver's side, as you can imagine. And me being as itty bitty as I am, and Google. So yeah, my thing is, that was very intense for me. I I'm just grateful that despite what happened, I'm still alive. And as far as I can remember, the only scratch that I had was maybe like one little scratch right above my left eyebrow. So yeah, sometimes I deal with social anxiety because it's not even necessarily about what other people think about me. Sometimes it's like the way that I feel about myself. Welcome to the world. Cool, trippy song. So yeah, I'm just letting y'all know this is my life. Better get this spinning, hoe. Nips. LOL. That's what it shows. Backwards a little bit. But you know, I be forgetting. Sometimes it's unintentional. But you know. So earlier today I realized that I had lost my iPhone charger. And now the one that I have, you know, I'm grateful for it. I met this guy and he was kind enough to buy one for me. Oh, excuse me. You're fine. So yeah, this whole walking thing, I'm still getting used to it because like I don't see anybody behind me and stuff. But I'm glad that nobody got into an accident because I don't know if they have insurance. Knowing them, they probably do, and I do not currently yet. Okay, so will not be good. And then this place over here, this is called Haunting House. Just like the fact that it's expensive. You just stop and pause and just look at the world. I actually have on a jacket. I realize it's actually pretty warm. And a jacket isn't necessary. Sometimes I think that when I see the wind blowing, it's the one that I need. You know, I always have so many thoughts about it. That's why I just figured why not record what I say. You know, I'm always just hear whatever I think that you carry. In my mind, it just seems like a cool thing to do. Because people are always curious about movies. As mysterious as I make an effort to be. So, anywho, ciao. Right, everyone, let me give you like a separate view of this place. So I'm just thinking we're gonna go back around this way, and I'm gonna just have like just a little bench I can sit on, and just have a simple little conversation. I'm just showing you on today. I really I dress pretty different. I feel like I have a unique style of dress, pretty chill and everything. Just everything just very chill. Doing my thing. I like colors and it's pretty good. I'm looking. So this stuff, I'm just a decent little spot. I got my pop socket. I have a cute little iPhone. Show you how cool this every day. So for the locals, of course. I'm the coolest of them all. Keep hands. I'm thought about energy trying to being able to show you all my life. And this is like the coolest thing ever. I'm smoking. I got my butt on the ground. Square to ground. Where to go? Sometimes it feels like there's I'm like really feeling the heat. Just a visitor that would let you all know. It's really good to help yourself. Gotta help yourself. Maybe we could sit here today. They used to have these people come out here and shine their shoes for $22. I'm just kidding. I don't know if they still do drop off. But who's gonna really need their shoe like that? Anyway, that is a shoe shop. So that's how they would do it. Like, you know, no offense to melanated people. Honestly, I don't know. You know, honestly, it's like they really had these people out here in like some low-key slavery. My thing is, it's like we already know based on what they told us. So yeah, for now, this is the shop. They're both pretty good, but you know me, like I said, cleansing out my system, my throat and everything. I always spit that stuff. Like cleansing my system, yeah. Like I said, today has been a pretty chill day. I just been learning my business. So like it would have been nice to bring some more snacks. Like, I'm just gonna like record and let you know this is my life. I haven't been up here in so long. I know you all miss me. Miss me. Now you gotta kiss me. I know you miss me. How? A lot of you don't even really know me like that. You never really got the chance to know me like that. But you know, I'm gonna tell you a lot about myself. There's so much that I would like to write, and then I'm just gonna get myself to a point and just sit down and just write some stuff down. Let me see what the time is. So, light it up. It is 5:14 p.m. Just gonna June 25th. Living their best life, and then he over there like the freaking slave. So my thing is, I feel like lately I have been just going through some different things, and it's like almost like losing myself, that I just wasn't me. Figure me out, you know, like pretty much out peace, how everyone else feels. I just took off running across the street on my house. Show you all some of this. But yeah, you know, it's just about being free. Like I said, it's really soft. Smooth. I like to feel soft and smooth like a fan. My natural habitat. This is really cool. Drinking I really like the teas because of It is 5:53 p.m. But this is just like a simple Domino's place that I used to come from time to time. You know, I don't really see the point, it's just a parking lot. But actually, like I said, I see it's 5:50. So let's just walk into it. Actually, it did warm up just a little bit, so I'm lighting that I can't take this shit no more. Excuse me. The reason I'm recording is so I don't feel so lonely. Like, oh, look at me and the people that are gonna one day soon watch this. That's what I'm talking to. I'm actually talking to someone. It's really tall. Let me show you the vlog. Even if it is very much the same. this is the real life view. I just feel like most people are not even, and they don't even have their mindset. They just walk around the corner from this perspective. And how cool to just do this. Who's that lady? Who's that lady? Sexy lady. Who's that lady? They go to real teasers. No guys, get on your premises. Girl, give me them noodles, bitch. They got the arrow, they got everything colorful in here. I know that's right. It's really neat and cool. I'm gonna show you this one. But I got the regular, I got those clothes and windows. So I just ain't really showing you. Like, oh, that bitch gonna put some clothes on now. Oh, need to put some clothes on. She's trying to look good from other mannequin man, from other mans. So, yeah, I thought it just, everyone, I don't know what came over and I told you that I was not going to use foul language. Coconut goodie. Here you go. You heard me talking about that coconut dirty. You heard me talking about that coconut I should have seen the face too. Not bad, hey baby. To her own drum, you go girl. She's marching to the rhythm. I love it. I thought that it was another girl. She was sitting there and she was beating her drums too. But you could have the whole start drumming. Like, okay, drummer boy. Okay, drummer bitch. I love this man. That's what I thought. Everybody doing their thing. Right, she knew once I put that camera on her, she stopped drumming there. She stopped beating that motherfucking bass drum there, huh? Y'all drive safe out here, please. Girl, once I put the cam on her, that bitch stopped beating that fucking bass drum there. Once I put the fucking cam on there, and that bitch knew she was being recorded. She started beating that shit there. 11, 8, 9, 6, 3, 2, 5. Once I put the cam on that bitch, and she knew she was being filmed. At that moment, she stopped beating that motherfucking drum. Alright everyone, Lord forgive me. I really am not the type of person to be using foul language. I just really be saying it like jokingly. Just because the way I say it is in a way that's like comedic. Like I'm really just being silly. I think it was cool that all those people were just randomly walking down the street, you know, creating such a unique sound with instruments, especially females at that, like an elderly Caucasian woman, and it looked like she had a couple of melanated females with her as well. You know, I just thought that was really dope. Thank God that it didn't like crack. That was so terrible. That's pretty unfortunate. And I tell you, I know y'all saw that. But I'm gonna keep it in here so y'all can see it. The phone, literally just that's the type of stuff I be talking about. That's why I call it the misadventures of the Aqua Blume. Because you never know what is about to happen within my existence. And I am just doing my best to get through it. I'm like, it ain't no bus on the 604. I'm just telling y'all, this week I will experience. And I said, sometimes I just get on the bus because it's like, you gotta have a life, you gotta have a life. Like, because you have the ideas, do this, do that. And then it's like, it's just like, it's good. It's really good. So, sometimes I get bored. It's so much that is going on. Yeah, I'm just letting it go. So, they do have an envelope. So, I'll see if I'm able to do that. On the city bus. So all the people that drive is I'm grateful that you're able to do that. This guy had gone with us. So I'm doing this. Just about being considerate, respectful. So I got these. I am 17% Egyptian, 15% Native American, 15% European. And then the rest are black, white, and Indian. I like to wear different wigs and hair extensions, even though I have natural curly, curly, wavy hair. I just like to be free.
enough is how the man that you put it all right. Good. You want that check? Yeah. What that check gonna do for you? It's gonna bless. How you gonna bless yourself with that check? I got a couple ideas. You ain't got to lie to me. What's up, man? All right. I ain't been driving that long, so I ain't trying to spend it, y'all. I'm trying to keep it in the road, okay? So we missed the money. I remember that. I can't get Y'all know what time it is. Anyway, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank you for riding with No Durham today. Home of the free fares. We have listed as one of the top transit services in the state of North Carolina this year, so we couldn't have did it without you. I thank you. Where all my players, where all my pimps at? There we go, that's what I'm talking about. Players and pimps. Where all my boosters at? Where my boosters at? Come on, don't be ashamed. Too much sales. T-shirts, it's good. I'll let you what? To all the ladies on the bus, all the ladies. We got any toxic women on the bus today? Any toxic women? Hello? No toxic women, okay. Don't be scared, don't be ashamed. We like a little toxicity in our life sometimes. I'm not recovering. idea. I've heard of this before, but I've seen it, you know. Anyway, it's forgive me. Just forgive me what I'm about to say. Forgive me. I've seen somebody go dig in the trash can, pull out a cup that has liquid in it. Now, mind you, you don't know how long that cup been sitting in that trash can or whose mouth was on it. But they pulled that cup out of the trash can and they sucked every bit of fluid that was in it out. That's what I'm saying. God, so much.
Go to the desert, how much land for water.
You know what I thought of when I saw that? When I saw that, man, I immediately had to use the bathroom. I wanted to I encourage you to recycle. That's all I'm saying. Recycle. Make sure you put your cups in the trash can. What you fill it up with is on you.
That doesn't sound like a plan.
But I would love to see, you know, them come back around, pick that same cup up, take a big swallow. Fellas, we all got vices. You know what I'm talking about? We all got vices. My vice used to be food. It used to be food. But as I got older, I'm gonna let you all fight up here, bro.
Anybody get up here ever, I'm gonna put you in this shit.
Come on.
Wait, let me make sure.
Stop requested.
Everybody have blessed day. God will thank you.
You are now rocking with the best.
Boy, you got a blessed day too.
You are now rocking with the best.
We're rocking with the best.
You rocking with the best.
We're rocking with the best.
In the city, Southern Utah.
Let me see.
I can't let you get up here in the cabin. I would if I could.
That's lit though, I ain't gonna lie.
She got that leg,
I'm probably breaking too many rules as it is right now, but it's okay.
It's okay.
For the people. For the people.
Hey, son.
Get your son, he's been there.
I appreciate you.
Yo, Mark, yo, grandma.
Come on the bus. Go sit on somebody's lap or something.
Hey, Tia, where you at, bro?
She said she's on that tip.
Mess around and get you paid. But on a serious note, I hope everyone's having a good day. If not, I hope it gets better. meant to encourage, enlighten, and maybe inspire someone.
This one niggas need to be chill out.
I don't think you care.
We ain't got the roaches.
How you get 200 bills without
You just do it on your fucking hand.
My grandma got full, but y'all
Bro, stop.
You can still wear a pull up your big. Like baby toe.
I'd rather get lost instead. Yeah.
I'm about to play some music for you.
Are you with me?
I got you. I'm about to play that for you.
You say yeah, girl, I'm my head.
Hey, ain't nothing but a
They don't know about that. Yeah, that's that shit. Hey, Paul, why you got my crop top, boy?
Yeah, crop top.
That bitch was just working out, huh?
But then I put a fence up over here on the way.
Daddy, stop.
One trade, one.
Turn this one shit on.
Ready so bad?
You said play song, you know, man. You should have this song.
Try me out. What we got?
Alright, it's playing right now. What happened? You got a bad song. You know this?
I can't call it here. I'm trying to find the beat. Come on, who don't know that? Oh, John D.
That's how you turn it on.
Why don't you do that?
What's your
I said play what, Tim? Just keep on rolling. Oh, yeah.
Must be nice.
I'm trying to figure out what y'all know about that. I'm saying, like, you pretty young. What y'all know about that?
I ain't that young.
Sound like something your mama and daddy listened to when y'all was growing up.
Hey, man, that's why we're born.
He trying to play. Oh, God. You cool, huh? Oh, love it. No, not much.
Niggas on fire, some